Wow, God is a faithful God, and I bless the name of the Lord that we have the opportunity to celebrate the 10th year anniversary of the existence of Christ Love Assembly here in Oxford. This year, we are not only celebrating the 10th year anniversary, but we are also having a power-packed Oxford Power Conference. The Lord gave us this conference over the years to impact so many lives, and a lot of lives have been saved. There have been stories of transformation. There have been stories of God's fruitfulness coming from being part of this program over the past years. And this year, I am very convinced it's not going to be an exception. There's going to be great grace, blessings, and power available to us. The Oxford Power Conference of this year, which also doubles as the 10th year anniversary, is one that we are all looking forward to have and to be a great event. So please mark it in your diary, plan with us to have the program. It's going to be from the 30th of June, which is a Friday, until the 2nd day of July, and it's going to hold at our usual place of worship, which is the REGAL Community Center in Cowley. So please, you will see the address on the screen, and once again, we are going to be having a great time in the presence of the Lord. We have anointed ministers that are coming this year. We have the speaker, who is going to be Bishop Tony OSUOBENI from Ohio, Columbus, from the United States. We also have the award-winning LARA judge, who is going to be with us. And I believe that as you prepare and you plan to be part of this program, it shall be a great opportunity for you to have the power for dominion, because that's the theme of the program. The Lord bless you, and I look forward to receiving you on the 30th of June. God bless you.